So this particular tub's old cast iron tub. Probably put original to this house. It's probably from the early 70s when this one was built. Kind of a thing of the past. Not many people use the cast iron anymore. A lot of the newer stuff was all fiberglass. This little drain was all brass. Okay. Went to the tub. The P-trap, everything was all brass. Okay. The old part's copper. The rest of the drainage system's cast iron. So we adapted to that.
So you go from brass to copper.
We adapted from the actual cast iron. I took all the copper that was out, went right back to the cast iron stack, and attached that with a male adapter, and we converted it to the newer ABS plastic. I've been a master plumber for about 12 years, but I've been in the plumbing industry itself for about 20 months.
And you went cut. And how many of these baths, installations, residential have you?
I've been part of hundreds.
Hundreds?
Yeah, hundreds.
Not to the thousands yet, but
Not to the thousands yet, hundreds of this particular style job.
Okay, gotcha. Almost all bath jobs that I'm hearing when I interact with any building inspectors, I'm hearing that a lot of permits are not being pulled, number one, and they're not having plumbers actually do the work. From the homeowner perspective, why would they want a plumber? Why would they want plug and play?
Because the inspector is there to make sure that the job is done correctly.
Okay.
So applying for the permit, you have to do the job right. So they get peace of mind of knowing that the job was installed and inspected by somebody from their town designated to do so. So you know you're getting the job done. They're dread way.
Then I guess if the homeowner has to resell the house, the permit hasn't been closed. Technically, that would cause them an issue on them when the tourists sell the house.
So a permit's actually required in the state of Massachusetts for that to be done. So if a permit wasn't pulled, the purchaser of the home has every right to ask to see if there was a permit pulled, and if there wasn't, then there's some repercussions that might have to be faced.
That's right. That's right. So all these baths that are getting put in without a plumber, without a permit, people don't realize that when they go to sell the house again, they got an issue.